So this will be a test. I'm going to fly the DJI Spark in really quite brisk wind. Have a look at the trees over there. They're really blowing quite a bit, as are these guys up here. There's a lot of wind high up and it's gusty. So the SYMA drones that we've got, there's no way we would fly them today because it's just too blustery and too gust. But this is the Spark. We're going to see how it copes with everything because it's normally way better. So we'll see how it goes in wind conditions like this. So here we go. And stability in the gusty wind. Wonderfully. Trying to keep up while it's in sports mode, not a chance. You're very affected by the wind. Big gusty wind. Spark handles without a problem at all. Yeah, that's amazing. That's blowing quite hard on me. Blowing on the phone. So the result is amazing. In the wind, also hopefully not too bad, is absolutely amazing. It's just flying around and pretty much not being affected by the wind at all. So very